and on we'll go.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Tony's phone collection. Today we're going to be unboxing a lot of 3 that I picked up on eBay for, let me tell you the amount. It was really cheap. I think it was $15 maybe, something like that. Let me load it up real quick and look for a knife at the same time. There's going to be a lot of unboxing videos coming on, so stay tuned for that. I ordered a good amount of phones recently. It was $16.25, and that was $8 for the phones and $8.25 for shipping. Boom. There we go. Untested as you've seen. So I really only bought it for the one phone. So we should take a look and see what we got. My shipping label was just stuck on here with my information, so I pulled it off and then I blacked out her information. Here's the label on mine. Boom, right there. So I just took it off, and then hers was underneath of it, so I just colored over it for now. And this should just be like a invoice. Yep. I'm gonna throw it down there. So here we go. A whole bunch of boxes. I'm doing a couple phone trades as well, so stay tuned for that video as well. And while we're up, we gotta love it. So here he is. Here we are. We got 3 phones. The first one is a Motorola W315 in gray with Alltel. Let's take a look. It feels like it's got a battery in it. I can't remember which way the back cover comes off. There we go. It does have a battery in it. It's not bloated. It is the gray model, as you can see. So I'll have to test it out. As you can see, it's got any charge in it, but I'm pretty sure it doesn't. Yeah. Next up is a Samsung Blackjack with AT&T. Here it is. It feels like it's got a battery as well. It's a little bloated, it looks like. Model was SGHI607. No SIM card, no water damage. Yeah, the battery's definitely bloated a little bit. Looks to be in decent shape. I'm guessing there's no power as well. And then lastly, the phone I went was the AX8600 in silver. Now I have one in blue. I don't think I have a black one yet with Alltel. I think I have a black one with Verizon. Here it is. AX8600. Water indicator is not damaged. The battery is still good looking. A little bit of a crack there, but nothing too bad. Seems to be in really good shape as well. It's probably dead. But there is the unboxing and quick look at the 3 phones. I will do an update video pretty soon, so stay tuned for that. And thanks for watching.